Your Master Lee.
And
All right, today we're in the Philippines in an area called Greenhills. Like, if you like Sonic the Hedgehog, this is real life Greenhills. One of the hottest shopping districts around here, and they have a lot of fun stuff here. Yet somehow we're ending up in a Tim Horton because Filipinos apparently love Canadian coffee. What a twist.
Uncle Tim.
What the
It's
hell?
Uncle Tim. So they're saying that this is the best coffee, better than Starbucks.
Maybe I have to say, I think Filipinos have pretty low standards for coffee. I don't know if you could say they're the connoisseurs of coffee. If they think Canadian coffee somehow is top of the food chain. Well, it's definitely very festive because of the time of year. I've been to Tim Hortons a couple times. Every time I go to Canada, I can't say that it's like one of those things where like I crave it because I'm in Canada. But hey, you know what? Let's see. Maybe the coffee is that good. I just never realized this whole time.
That's why we're trying it.
That's right.
Why
We're
is your camera
open-minded.
wet?
I was just in the
The
bathroom.
pee-pee too? That's
Yes,
good.
actually, when I use the bathroom, I leave it on and I just go down like here, shake it a couple of times. So everyone gets the point of view.
You're right.
Because that's what people want. They want the realism. It's a nice spot though.
And?
So it makes me acidic.
Oh.
But like the one I ordered last time when I was in Starbucks,
Yeah.
that's like the strongest coffee I get.
Oh.
It's like one step below Irish coffee.
I
It's
see.
like the coffee is too much.
You know what, babe? I've been here. In fact, I believe I even took you here.
No.
Yes.
No, you did
Babe,
not.
babe, try to okay, maybe it was someone else. I think it might have been you. We went.
I thought you never gone into Manila.
Oh, I've been in
He
Manila
did.
many
That
times.
means
No, me. That's what I'm saying. How could
how?
I be here?
Because when we went back to the U.S., didn't we stay in Manila for 1 or 2 days?
Yeah, but we didn't go here.
So this is how I remember. They had, at least back then, so who knows it, they had a furniture store at the top, and they had a giant purple Joker-esque chair. And I
That
kept
was
thinking,
you, just you alone. I wasn't here.
okay, babe, don't get mad.
Oh.
Like, why are you so mad? Huh? I just think of you. Now you're mad? Like I didn't take you here?
No,
or
it wasn't
something?
me. You came here alone.
No, because I feel like I had to look for you because you're always getting lost or you're trying to buy something.
No.
That's what I remember.
What's your like goals to look for? Bags,
Yeah.
dresses, shoes.
Mine is bag.
Bags is there. Bags is outside.
It's okay.
Clothes is-
It's a good bag. I like to like walk around.
All right, so this is unlike a typical mall, right? This is like a lot of little stalls, which means
so you.
there's a lot of variety, and it also means there's a lot of fakes, which also means a lot of good deals. You come here for the deals, people. This place is laid out in a way that maybe the average person can't figure out, but it does seem like certain
like the
kinds of
Hailey
stuff is
Beaver.
clustered
Oh,
together.
the big one.
Those
Because
big,
you see here on the
the
right
chunky
side,
ones.
it's all jewelry, and the left side, it's all stuff like clothing. Men's bag.
Oh, they have bags there over there.
I smell Auntie M's and I see Auntie M's pretzels.
What's auntie? Oh.
Mmm.
Ako na kapag bumili kasi sinamahan mo.
Ay, oo nga.
Ano?
Aaron's looking for it.
Weird, no? They're
Did we lose them
kalat.
already? Oh, there you are.
I'm looking for like your bag. No, I'm still looking.
All right, so we basically haven't walked more than 10 minutes in, and some people are already buying
Gusto mo
jewelry.
kumuha? You want to what? Buy one?
It's
We already
smaller.
have that.
Small.
It's kind of the same.
I have different. Iba,
These are the latest.
Yeah,
I have
like
the
you
small,
said, you literally
medium,
have something
extra
like that.
large. I don't know, what is it? Yung sa'yo, ma'am, kasi ano yung talagang pre-order.
I want those, but I want the size.
Small.
You like the small
You are small, baby. Everyone in the Philippines is small. How much smaller can you get in the Philippines?
Standard tayo. Super laki.
You got to go into their secret lair for
Where can you
bags.
go?
It's Narnia.
What's in there? What's in there?
I feel like it's a one-way street to buying something.
They won't let you out until you like.
Pretty much.
Looks like Narnia.
We literally just said that. It looks like Narnia.
It's
I
like
love it.
They had to hide it because
Okay. You don't have to say. You don't have to say. I know what you mean. It's all legit.
Yeah.
Yes. Did you want anything in there, Ludette? No.
Want to experience
Thank you. I feel like I'm gonna get stuck in there.
You will be stuck in there.
I'm stuck in there.
grabe, kita mo ano, foreigner, bebenta mo 6,000.
Ay, hindi po kuya. Wala po sa quality yan kuya. Binigyan na naman kita ng discount.
So the thing is, Lulu is clearly standing like a sore thumb. She thinks she looks local. But the 1 minute they just took one look at her, they know, oh, we could charge her more. She don't know better. That's the reality. So it looks like they're hiding all the good stuff back inside, deep inside. It's like a little cave back there. Why? According to all my sources, yeah, it's justified. He says that they must have got raided recently, so they're just a little bit more cautious of keeping some of the more goodies out of the open. If your name isn't Carl, why would you ever buy that bag? Unless that's a famous Carl. And if you like Rubik's Cubes, I got a purse for you, right there. We got a silver one. So, best as I can tell, you're the one who's spent the most money so far, buying many more things. When I thought you were just coming here to observe, but
I'm observing.
I think you're almost 2 items away from starting your own shop.
Yeah, we
think-
haven't bought anything and she already bought one. I mean, 2?
2. I think now 3. She doesn't even want to show us, so we know it's at least 2 or 3.
I'm done.
You're
That's
done.
my last. That's my
Sure.
Sure. Hey, don't let us judge you. I'm just doing this for fun.
It's your money.
Yeah, exactly. Your money. It's better content if you buy more. So, what are you saying? Like, you have a hard time haggling.
Because she keeps on complimenting like the bag and the quality. So how can I haggle if she's too?
That's right. Right. She's too complimentary. Yeah. She's basically got to say, this bag smells like the inside of a public bathroom. I'm not going to buy it, right? Then it's 50% off, right? She's like, I don't like public bathroom smell, but for 50% off, I'll like it.
Yeah, because she keeps on saying that. "Ah, this is good price for 1.8. Okay, that's good price. That's good price.
Yeah. She's ruining it for all of us. Right, babe? There's a lot of variety. Basically, what he's saying is, shop around. Don't marry the first guy you fall in love with.
He's saying, don't get two items. Just go around.
That's what I'm saying too. Yeah. See, if you fall in love with the first thing, you don't get to experience life.
It's up to you if
with
you want to buy
all
that right
the-
away. There's other stalls to be honest. But if you really like that already, just buy it and get another one if you really want to.
I don't know.
I don't want this. Yeah, what you told me you were gonna buy me is a fanny pack, not a purse.
It's a body.
No, I don't want a purse. All right, Luda. So far, your haggling approach apparently is really bad, according to the real Filipinos.
Why?
because you keep saying too many things and make it sound like you want it. Like, oh, I like this color. Oh, like this is really nice. This is good quality. You don't want to say that because then they think they want to negotiate because they know you want it. You kind of have to act like I'm not interested. It's like dating. You don't just go to the guy like, oh, you want this? Oh, I like you. I like you very much. No, see, then you lose. So this is the trick. You get act like I don't want that. I don't like that color, right? Or like, smells like the inside of a public bathroom, right? And
Gotcha.
okay, use your new technique. Okay, I just walked into Narnia, which is literally the size. It's not even the size of a closet, but it's packed with all sorts of goodies here. And if you're into purses, it would probably feel like you're just in a sauna of wonder. Actually, I'm not even bags. I think some of these bags are pretty freaking awesome. You're gonna go negotiate, you're gonna haggle, and let's see if you can get a good deal. Now that Ludette has become a professional hustler, negotiating the best deals, let's see what kind of a deal she can get for sunglasses. Now, this is a brand name, all right? I know for sure if I were to buy a Chinese-made type of sunglasses, then it was kind of similar, I could probably get it for maybe 15 bucks. Maybe 15 bucks. Oh, wow, they're closing down here. Wow, they literally moved the whole booth. They don't leave it behind, huh? Where do they go store it? Wow.
They're reshuffling it. They have to reshuffle it every 2 weeks, so that they won't get.
All right, Lulu, how much are you paying for this?
It's given us 1,000.
1,000? All right, Ludette says I need a fanny pack, or she calls it a body bag. This one can double as both fanny and body, and because it has the word essentials on it, which I now understand is to be a good brand, right? This is better than Walmart or 7-Eleven. I am paying extra for it. The question is, did you negotiate well? Okay, so apparently we have to return this bag now because it sits too low. We need to buy a high rider backpack, right? Right? Huh? Are you happy now, baby? Do I not look cool now?
No, you look. Isn't that better that you have it all in the bag?
No,
all
actually,
your
I do when my
things?
pants are bulging. What do you think I'm trying to prove? Now I got no bulge left. You think chicks are checking that out anymore? No, it's all gone. All my manhood has gone down into a fanny pack.
Don't do it that way. Put it on the back and around your body.
No, the reason I bought this is to wear it like this.
Do it around your body. Come on, I want to see.
Right, how do you want me to do this? Okay.
Not like that. Undo it. And put it around your, like this. Okay, hold it.
So apparently, I'm wearing the bag wrong. Wrong.
I'll remove this first.
Oh, wow, Gen Z.
Oh, Gen Z? Hey, baby, I just lost 30 years.
Yeah, there.
It was nothing to do with my skin or anything. It was just bag. The bag made me lose 30 years. Okay. I guess I'm going to go on the prowl for high schoolers. Oh, no, that's not even Gen Z anymore, is it? Oh, that's too young. No, I would never do that. Never do that.
Yeah, looks better.
That's way better. No more wallet and
No more-
phone and
yeah.
the GIS. Okay.
Yeah.
It's annoying.
Okay.
Finally,
Goodbye.
one argument less in my life that I've been hearing for months. All right. We're done shopping. I think pretty much everyone bought something except for Aaron. So the question is, you didn't buy anything. You sure? All right, so let's start with you. Do you feel like you got a good deal?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, okay, well, she feels like she's the master negotiator. So I would say probably fair assessment. You bought something too. Did you feel like you got a good deal?
I haggled. She haggled for me.
Oh, she haggled for you. So as a result, we think we got a good deal. All right, now the big question is, did Ludette and I haggle well? Do you think we got a good deal? 2 bags, which is this fanny bag, which is now my shoulder bag, and a backpack for $3,400 plus 6% plus 3% extra fees for credit card and all that. 6% for them extra plus my 3% for international fees. So basically paying 10% extra almost. All total about $3,600, which is how much in US dollars? Divided by 58.
Still less than $100.
Wait a minute. So you're trying to say a good deal would have been less than 100? So $62 for all this.
It's a good deal.
Okay, Ludette says a good deal. Do you guys think it was a good deal?
Yeah.
Really?
I mean,
No way.
Baby, we're Filipinos.
fairly nice for like 2 bags. You have like a really nice like laptop bag, and you got this like
Yeah, like,
very white,
Essentials.
very
Did you check the spelling of
Very
like,
Gen Z
essentials?
bag.
Hold on.
You're right, baby. It has 4 S's.
Did you make
That's
sure?
wrong spelling.
Yeah.
This is Filipino spelling.
Okay. As long as you check.
Dang.
I do
See,
want to show the bag.
to me, okay, let's show them the bag. See, the problem to me, and the reason why I feel like I overpaid, because I usually buy backpacks at TJ Maxx that are on sale for $19.99, right? It's like the leftover extra that no one wanted. Maybe the zipper's missing, but it's just a backpack to me, so I don't really care. But this is quality bag, yo. Look at this. This is like Silicon Valley executive look, even though I don't work at Silicon Valley anymore.
You better not complain anymore with the backpack you're using right now.
Baby, I'm complaining because you picked that backpack to carry with me and it's heavy. But this, no, look at the padding. This is almost going to feel like massaging my shoulders as I walk. Yeah.
You won't feel the weight.
I won't feel the weight. That's right. You know why? Because you're going to carry it for me now. All right. Hey, good job, y'all. It just only took 5 of us and it took way too long. And now it's pure chaos. It's like everyone was going to negotiate one by one. And I think they were fed up at the end of it. I was fed up by the end of it. I was just willing to walk away. But good deal. Wow. That was fun, though. I think, okay, that's a takeaway. You can't act like you're too interested. We stuck around too long. So they knew they were we got them. Hook, line, and sinker. We're suckers. We should have just like, bye-bye. Okay, show me the sunglasses, because we did go back and Lulu did get the nice sunglasses. This is the Creature sunglasses that everyone's talking about, the hottest brand out there right now. The initial price was how much? $1,800, and she negotiated it down to
1,000.
How much percentage off is that?
I don't know.
Enough. Okay, let's see how it looks. It's okay.
Look a monster now.
It's okay.
I don't look like Jenny. I don't think this is Jenny's.
Yeah, you know why it's not Jenny's? Because Jenny wears the real thing.
No one's gonna know. Yeah.
No one's gonna-
Until they see this vlog and it goes viral. Okay, you know what? Just to emphasize, this was for educational purposes only. We bought for real. This was all just acting, a skit. This is all legitimate brands. So please, nobody come after us. Don't want to go to jail. Thank you. Okay, bye.